Now we reached the Dole Plantation. Here it is. Here the Dole flag, the American flag and the Hawaiian flag, and here's the plantation. And we're gonna have a little stop here and enjoy the morning. It's quite popular, it seems.
It's very popular. It grows in population by. Yeah, they closed though, you know, through the pandemic. I thought there was a
coconuts and grilled corn. They have snacks and Dole Plantation Express. This looks wonderful for a little breakfast stop tour. Well chosen, I think. Super.
In terms of parking, it looks like there's a fight for parking.
Yes, it looks quite busy here. I hope we get a pineapple juice after all. Let's see. Okay, more soon. And we'll see that we'll get a place now.